Princeton police have shared a facial rendering of a man whose body was discovered by construction crews on September 5th at a site south of County Road 398 near CR 394 and S. Beauchamp Boulevard. Investigators suspect the person did not die at the location where the body was found. The man is believed to be between 15 and 25 years old and of Asian, Amerindian, or Hispanic descent. The rendering was created by the Center for Human Identification's Forensic Anthropology Unit in Fort Worth. Anyone who may recognize the individual is encouraged to contact Princeton Police at 972-736-3901 or text PPD-TIP to 847-411. The investigation includes efforts from the Princeton Police Department, the Collin County Sheriff's Office, and the Texas Rangers.